in the recording session, Velvel Pasternak has produced a little book about that too. He couldn't get over what was going on there. They came to the studio independently, from wherever they were working or what. And they arrived with bags of food, extra sweaters, all kinds of impedimenta, which they piled up in the corner. And when you open the door of the recording studio, the clock starts to tick. And they're sitting there eating oranges and having a shot of liquor, I suppose, and whatnot. And I said, come on, fellas, we have to start working. This costs money. So they said, no, we can't make a record without a l'chaim. So I let them have the l'chaim. And then we started the recording. And at one point, I stopped the whole thing. I said, and I dashed out of the booth onto the floor. I said, look, you're not doing that right. You're singing, ay, 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 and I want to hear that knetch. I want to hear, ay, 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 when you sing. And one of the guys calls out, please, you'll have to refrain from singing. I said, I'm not singing. I'm instructing you in how to do an authentic record. And I looked rather annoyed, I guess, because I walked back into the booth and we finished one half of the record. And I'm talking to the engineer, and Moshe runs up to the recording, to the booth, and he says, oh, don't be offended, Mrs. Stambler. He said, these men don't know anything. I've been to Paris, and I know what you were after to get us to do it right. All right, I said, don't worry, I'm not that offended. So I think that took, oh yes, and then we come into this, when we come into the studio, in addition to this picnic, we didn't realize that there was a door in the rear of the studio that really led to another small, like a rehearsal room. And we just finally got everybody lined up and in good order, ready to sing, when the back door opens and 4 ballet dancers in leotards come out. They had been rehearsing a ballet in that studio. And I tell you, when these guys saw these girls with their skin-tight, ballet costumes on, it flipped many a beard, what can I say?